What is going on YouTube? Hannah making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are obviously talking about Shiba Inu as well as Floki Inu. Earlier this morning, I actually made a video talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, how most of these cryptocurrencies are actually starting to recede back up, correct back inside our support levels, which is a really good sign. And hopefully if this continues, it should allow us to pump even higher if we close the daily above that. Now for Shiba and for Floki, we have different scenarios going on here where prices are actually starting to drop quite substantially. Fortunately, yesterday we were actually able to, well, we sold off for Shiba 2 days ago, but Floki we actually took profits yesterday, which is really good after we started to see some uncertainty with this candle forming here. So good signs all across the board right now, but we are starting to correct lower back down to bottom supports here. So we have to discuss where bottom is for Floki, where bottom is for Shiba Inu. Are we at the bottom? How much lower are we going to go? Or are we going to start to correct back up? I'm going to try to answer all those questions in today's video. But today's video is brought to us by EXSPORTS. As you guys can see here, they're digital collectibles for sports. EXSPORTS is a platform that allows sport fans to buy, trade, and sell digital sport collectibles. And the app offers a variety of sports and has special rewards program for collectors. The cool thing is in their marketplace right here, you can see they're actually doing a Maradona giveaway here for NFTs and the actual piece of memorabilia that the NFT is actually attached to, which is really cool. So they're giving away, as you guys can see here, 10 different gold NFTs that all have a specific physical item attached to it, and you can actually enter to win one of these and get flown out to Dubai and actually get rewarded this NFT as well as get rewarded the physical item, which is really cool at that ceremony. More information about them will be at the end of today's video, so definitely stay tuned for that. Otherwise, guys, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, and let's jump into today's video. All right, guys, as you can see, the entire crypto market is like down. It's actually very bloody all in all. Every cryptocurrency is falling at a very violent rate. Down, Shiba isn't doing too bad, 13% compared to everything else, which is down mainly 16, 12, 14, 15, 19, 21, 14, 17. You know, so we're not down as bad as some of these other cryptocurrencies are, but we are still correcting. The reason Shiba isn't as down is because it was already doing that the past couple of days here. Good thing is it seems like we did find some sort of support. It's actually pretty nice to see that we're coming back up to its moving average. The moving average has slowly crept up to use as a support level here, and even though we did break back down below using the descending fractal here, this falling wedge as a means of support, we're actually getting withheld by our uptrend right here. So this is a good sign. And as you guys can see, if I jump to the daily from the daily to the 4 hour here, and I extend this support here, you can see what exactly is going on. So I'm actually going to draw a horizontal line, but you can see I'm going to replace this support level right here, draw a horizontal line using this as an uptrend. You can see we're currently retesting this right now. So the good thing is hopefully we'll be able to get back above here. You can see where we've used it as a means of support in the past, numerous occasions as a support right here. And now we're currently retesting that as I speak. So hopefully by the end of today, we'll be able to actually recover above that, which is what we're starting to do currently. You can see right here, we're actually starting to retest and use this support right here. So hopefully we'll be able to close above this today, and that will pretty much signal the bottom for most of these cryptocurrencies. I do strongly believe that XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin are all going to start to reverse back outside of here as they're all forming falling wedge patterns here. You can see 1, 2, and this will be the third, and usually after these falling wedges we tend to see a big volume spike. So hopefully, because you know Shiba is in the top like 15 cryptos, it'll tend to follow the same path here. So what we're looking for ideally is for us to close the daily obviously above this uptrend here in purple and above our moving averages, and hopefully float back above here. So either we consolidate here and use this trend that we're starting to form here, or we start to reverse back out of here. That's the ideal scenario that we're looking for within Shiba. But Floki also hit some sort of major resistance up here, which was quite interesting to see. It was a very big run that we did have here, but bottom support for Floki for the most part is just this bottom support, this price floor right here. So we'll see how much lower we're going to be moving to. Right now, everything's up in the air for most of these cryptocurrencies. All the listings go to the wind right here, and we really just have to let these markets play out. But there is a bottom, and we have pretty much found the bottoms on most of these cryptocurrencies right now. So I do believe that SHIB has pretty much bottomed out for right now, as it is in line with all the other crypto markets here, with XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin all finding their bottom supports right now. Hopefully, this also influences Shiba to have found its bottom support currently. You can see it has shown us previous support levels in the past here. Will this let me move it over? Thank you. Previous support levels in the past here. So hopefully we can stay above here, but everything is up for a debate. So we have to see how today closes and how tonight closes. We have a little over 9 hours left, and then we'll decide whether or not we're going to be breaking bullish or continuing this run here, or at least consolidating ourselves to pretty much figure out what exactly is going on, whether or not we're going to have to switch to a short position, so on and so forth here. But I'm just very glad that I did sell out of Shiba and Floki Inu yesterday, and I've taken most of my profits. So we'll just see how exactly these markets play out. There's really nothing we can say right now, but I do believe strongly that the bottom is in for most of these cryptocurrencies right now. So I'm not too worried about where we're moving to moving forward here. I do believe this major whale dip sell-off that happened and pretty much shocked the rest of the market is over right now, and we should be able to consolidate up from this, but it really all depends on how we close tonight. Otherwise, guys, I do want to talk more about EXSPORTS' NFT giveaway with you. I want to give a huge shout out to EXSPORTS for sponsoring today's video. So guys, as with all cryptocurrency projects, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So guys, before I explain what EXSPORTS is, they just launched their marketplace and released limited gold edition, first ever official Maradona NFTs that will be available to the public to buy until the 13th of December. Now, these gold edition NFTs follow on from the private VIP auction that was held in October, and there's also a competition that will include physical Maradona memorabilia items to be won. So guys, EXSPORTS is a blockchain-based NFT platform that has a vision to support grassroots sports such as Muay Thai, powerlifting, arm wrestling, and jiu-jitsu. And it allows sports fans to buy, trade, and sell digital sports collectibles, opening up new revenue streams for their favorite athletes in less well-known sports. So at this point, you'd struggle to find a soccer fan who hasn't been dazzled by the otherworldly talents of Diego Maradona at some point, and EXSPORT is now giving everyone a chance to own a piece of soccer history connected to the legend himself. Now, EXSPORTS recently launched the Maradona NFT collection, consisting of 10 rare Maradona memorabilia, and that are the first official Maradona NFTs. Now, on the 30th of October, 4 one-of-one Platinum Edition NFTs were auctioned during a VIP-only event at the DMCC Crypto Center in Dubai, and the buyers also received the actual physical Maradona items themselves, which were secured to the NFTs, which is pretty crazy. That's real utility. Now, EXSPORTS is now providing fans with a more affordable opportunity to own NFTs of the remaining 6 items of Maradona memorabilia. Each physical item has a limited number of gold edition NFTs associated with it, and starting from the 5th of December, a new gold NFT will be listed every 2 days on the newly launched EXSPORTS marketplace. Now, buyers of the gold NFTs will automatically be entered into a competition to win the associated physical items of memorabilia and its corresponding platinum NFT, meaning those without such high spending power will have a chance to own a physical piece of football history. Now, the collection includes a match-worn Nepali jersey, a ball used in the game between Nepali and Spartak Moscow, and a Puma-branded captain's armband. And each item is certified as official by World Soccer Treasures, one of the world's largest collectors of football memorabilia, and the name and usage rights of the Maradona brand has been legally authorized by Maradona's former manager and close friend Stefano Sisi, who also attended the VIP event. Now, the lucky winners will be invited to the grand finale gala dinner in Dubai on the 13th of December at the Billionaires Club Dubai, where they will receive the physical item. But even those who miss out will still own digital collectibles of soccer icons that will only ever exist in limited quantities, giving owners a chance to sell or trade them in the future. And all 10 items are listed on exports.io, where fans can join the waiting list to purchase these gold NFTs and having a chance of owning the physical memorabilia too. So guys, follow EXSPORTS on social media with the links in the description down below, or visit their website. Otherwise, huge shout out to EXSPORTS for sponsoring today's episode. As always, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.